In this video, I will show you how to verify your account on Wise. So simply log into your account, and after that on the top left side you can see the manage option. Click here. Now you have to make some payments in order to verify your account. So simply here we are going to make some payments. So just here type the little amount, and after that click on continue. So in order to send money, you have to verify your account. So simply just here you can get link by email or scan a QR code. After that click on continue anyway. So now here you have to select your country. So now after that you have to upload a document to verify your account, like you can upload your passport, driving license, national ID. So simply just you have to select this and click on next. So here you have to click on take a photo and upload your document. So in this way you can verify your account on Wise.